This is a little short video. So, as you all know, this is a microphone. It's a decent one, DJI. I bought a pair of them. This one, however, spent the night out. I'm not sure if it rained that night or not. Fell out of my pocket when I was working on my backhoe up at my brother-in-law's. I went back up that evening, and couldn't find it. I think his son found it later that day in the grass next to it, later the next morning, I should say. Jeff gave it to me the next day when I was up there to work on the backhoe. I haven't tried it yet. I'm going to try it right now. Also, before I do that, afterwards, this is the second microphone, and it's in a bag of rice because I was an idiot and I left it clipped in my pocket of my t-shirt a month ago, and it went through the wash. So I don't know if this one's even going to work, but I had it in a bag of rice for a long, long time. We'll see if that works. I may open that up and try that today too. Something tells me this one may not work, or it might sound like I'm underwater. I don't know. Okay, let's see if this one will hook up to you. Turn it on right now. Okay. Says it's connected. I don't see any lines. And I don't see any lines. Okay. So it might not be connected to you. It just said Bluetooth connected. Now it says it's disconnected. Sorry, I'm going to have to turn it around. Still nothing. Still nothing. Okay, so now I'm going to shut it off. I'm going to turn it back on. I'm looking at the screen of the camera, because usually it'll say it's connected or it's disconnected. Screen just went away. All right, I'm going to see if I can connect it now. Trying to connect, but nothing's coming up. Let me. Oh boy. I'm going to have to shut you off for a bit. Sorry. Okay, now it says it's working. I've got green dots moving on the monitor. Let's see how it sounds. I'm going to do this test. Hopefully it's sounding good. Cool. I need to make a note of what one this is. Somehow write it on here. Alright, I am going to pair up the other mic now. Or I'm going to try. I might have to charge it first. It's been in that bag for a while. Let me take a look at that and you can watch us. Hang on, I'll put this on my lapel collar, whatever you call this thing. Okay. Okay, we'll do it right here. Hopefully you can see. It's all white, so it's gotta be dry. Huh. Time will tell, right? Okay, I got a blue light. Oops. It is trying to link also. I've never had both of these mics linked, so. Oops, just went off. Huh. I'm gonna have to shut you off again. Okay, this is the mic that went through the laundry, and it seems to work. Everything seems to be working, if you believe the camera. I don't know what it sounds like. We're gonna try it out. And we'll see. Let's do that. Now I'm gonna try a test. I'm gonna see if I can pair up the other mic also. So I'm gonna have to shut you off again, try to pair up the second mic. I've never had two mics paired up at once, which I need to do if I'm going to have both me and my wife or my son or somebody else talking at the same time. Okay, hang on. Here we go. Shut you off. So apparently I can't just do both of them this way. There's other things in the mic bag, like a transmitter or something. Maybe I need that. I'll have to do some research, or I have to do more research on the GoPro. I don't know much about it still. And that's that. That's this little short video. Now I gotta download and see how this sounds. Huh. My video for tomorrow is downloading. It's unboxing a wire stripper and trying it out to see if it's any good. And it's kind of scary at first. I was having big problems with it. And I'm doing another video on my new backhoe that I bought. Trying to put brake system in, master cylinders, slave cylinders, and it's a nightmare. I had to take the dash apart, had to take the floor out of it. Right now I gotta go back up, and I got lines leaking. I got everything in, but I got a couple leaks. I gotta go up with some tubing wrenches and try to tighten up. Hopefully I can get it. And then I can start putting it back together and get it over here. A couple hoses I gotta change and start using it. Bought it at an auction. Case 580C. 4-in-1 bucket in the front, clamshell back bucket. It's kind of a nice machine. It's in good shape. It's only got 1,500 hours on it. And it's a pretty tight machine. Obviously it's got some problems because it's a 1977 vintage. So it's an older machine. Some hoses I got to replace. But it's better than the one I have. I have a 1976 vintage that's wore right out. I'm going to try to get that sold in the near future. All right, have a good day. I'm going to go probably have some supper here shortly. Thanks for watching. I'll let you know how this turns out. Actually, I'll come back and let you know how this turns out. Okay. Okay, I just almost went for a hell of a ride. Is what I did. Wow, this chair's gotta go. It's old. All right, I just took the card out of there, put it in the computer, and it seems to work, which you guys already know because you've been listening to me. So I have no weird noises or anything. Everything seems to work very well. So that's awesome. DJI mini mics can go through a wash if you put them in a bag of rice. I don't know how long it's going to last now, but it's working right now. So we'll keep using them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.